Hello and welcome to what is going to be a new series about my continuing health journey. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail about what I've done previously because there are other videos which I will link for you about that, but suffice to say that a couple of years ago I started on a health journey of trying to improve how I was feeling, how I was sleeping, and to lose quite a lot of weight. And over that period I have lost about 3 stone in weight. And as part of that, about a year ago, I went on a metabolic health retreat at a place called Combe Grove in Bath. And suffice to say, that was actually quite life-changing for me. Now, again, there are other videos about that, so I won't talk about that too much here. But I have been working with them ever since because I'm passionate about what they do. I love them, I love the program, and I love what it's done for me. So they recently contacted me and they have started because for those people who can't get to Bath or don't want to take what is effectively a week out of their life to go down there and they have started something called the Combe Grove at Home program, and they asked me if I would like to take part in the latest cohort, and I jumped at the chance because it's been a year since I was there, and although I have kept my routines, I learned so much while I was there and it has made some huge differences to me. One of the key things being more weight loss, especially about 6 inches off of my waist. And the other thing that has been so significant for me was coming off my blood pressure medication. So that was quite life-changing for me. And so I really do believe in what they're doing. And it's worked for me. But I jumped at the chance of going on this or taking part in this at-home program because I wanted a bit of a refresher. And I also wanted to find out what it was like to do the at-home program so that I could share that with you. So for those of you who are interested in this program, but as I said, can't get down to Bath, this might be a really good alternative for you. So I happily jumped in and I received from them, you do get, let's see if I can show you this lovely box from them, which is your introductory box to the series, and it contains everything that you need for the program. Now, I did do a little unboxing which I posted on Instagram, and I'll put that in this video so that you can see what's inside this box. So my Combe Grove at Home box has just arrived and I thought I would share with you what's inside it. So this is part of the 12-week Metabolic Health Program. I did do the retreat last year, but I want to do this as a refresher. So you get this pack to use at home. It's got a canvas tote bag in it. Then I've got some coriander seeds. It says so early spring. There's a little box here which has mighty oaks from little acorns grow, and inside there it's got a little acorn made out of wood. There's a Combe Grove water bottle. I do already have one of these and I use it all the time when I'm walking, but really good to have a second one. I've then got a cup, a seaweed bath bag, that sounds really nice, hand harvested and packaged by Blue Greens. It's got hydrating Fucus serratus seaweed, I hope I'm saying that right. It's also got lavender and Himalayan bath salts in it, so that'd be really good for helping sleep. There's a tape measure. There are some pucker teas, which are lovely. I had those when I was actually at Combe Grove and got into those. Oops. Remedies to roll. Oh, this is good. A relaxation oil, and it's one of those that rolls on. Actually, that would be really nice for me to take on my flight next week. There's some bands, the stretchy bands for strength training, which is great because that is one thing I know I need to do. Blood test kits. There's a journal here. That's lovely. I might take that with me when I go away next week as well for writing my journal. There's a whole pack here, rest, restore and reset, just information for you. Lovely picture of Combe Grove. If you do get to go there, it's a beautiful, beautiful place to go. And that's got a lovely personalised note on the back of there. Warm welcome to Combe Grove at home. So I will read through all of that later. What's this? Oops, something wrapped up. I love the orange paper and all the detail in here. It's really gorgeous. Ooh. It's a measuring spoon. That's nice. And then, oh, I know what this is. This is a blood pressure monitor. Really handy as well. And then right at the bottom of the box, there is, I know what this is as well, this is a set of scales, but they're the ones that measure your body composition as well. So they give you the fat measurement in the body as well. So really handy to have. And all in this beautiful wooden box. So I'm really looking forward to getting started on the programme this coming week. And I will keep you up to date with how it's going. So that's what you get when you join Combe Grove at home and everything that's in the box. I'm going to go through this in a bit more detail now. But there are a couple of things that I need to do before I actually get started on the programme. And as I'm recording this, it literally starts today. The first live webinar is this evening, so I'm going to attend that. And then I'm actually going on holiday. So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out whilst I'm on holiday. Now, a lot of this stuff, I stick to my routines of what I eat and what time I eat and all of that kind of thing, which I will come into further in the series. But it's going to be really good to see how I can manage my holiday and my eating and my fitness routine whilst I'm away. Because one of the things that's in the box are some fitness bands. Now, I know I need to build my strength. Those of you that know me will know that I walk quite a lot anyway, but one of the things I know that I need to improve on is my muscle. And so I'm going to take these with me and try and use those whilst I'm away on holiday. The other thing that's in here, oh, I'm going to take my journal with me as well, because I think that'll be really good for recording things and also for making notes, so that I can, when I'm making these videos for you, I can make notes about how I'm experiencing this and how I found things, so that I can feed that back to you. I'm also going to take my pucker tea bags with me because I think these will be really nice just to have in my room. The other thing that I thought I would take with me is there's a Neil's Yard Remedies to Roll Relaxation roller in here, which is one of those that you can put on your pulse points. And I thought that would be brilliant to take on the plane to try and get some sleep, because obviously it's a long haul flight. So there's a couple of things there which I'm going to take away with me. But the other thing that I'm going to do is later on today, I'm going to record all of my health information. So there's things like I need to take my waist measurement. They send you some scales which measure your body fat and your muscle and your visceral fat and all of that kind of thing. So I've got to record all of those things. And tomorrow morning I'm going to do my first blood test. Now, if you're somebody who's a little bit panicky about having blood tests or doesn't like doing them, this actually isn't too bad. I did these previously when I went on the Metabolic Health Retreat, and they're so easy to do. You literally just press the, in fact, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to do it now because I'm going to do the blood test tomorrow, but I'll show you what you get in the kit. You get one of these little things and you literally just press that against your finger and it draws the blood. So it's brilliant. It's really easy to do. You collect it in the little file, send it away, and within, Usually within about 2 to 3 days you get the results on your app. Now those get fed back to your nutritionist on the program as well, so that when you have your one-to-one conversation with her, she knows or he knows where you are now and how to help you create a plan going forward. So I'm really excited about starting this again and refreshing myself. And as I said, a lot of the stuff I still do, but there are going to be things which I know I'm going to learn new as well. So I'm going to keep you up to date with what's going on, share my experience with you so that you can see what it's like to be involved in this program. Now, if you do want to be part of one of the cohorts, the next one that they're going to be doing is starting, I think, around June time. But if you wanted to jump in quickly on the one that I'm on, which would be lovely because you can share your experience with me, and I'm happy to share my experience with you as well. So if you wanted to jump in very quickly on this one, although it starts today, you still have got time to do it. They can still get you involved in this one. And because all of the webinars are recorded, you can easily catch up as well. And so obviously whilst I'm away on holiday, I can watch the recordings as well. I'll leave a link down in the description box for you. Now I also have a discount code for you as well. So if you use my code Maria Sadler, you'll get £100 off of the program as well. So I'll link that down in the description box for you as well. But if you are interested in this and to see how I get on and to see what's involved, then stay tuned and there will be more videos coming soon. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do that, because then you won't miss out on any of the videos that are coming in the future. And if you've got any questions, then again, leave those for me. I'm happy to answer them. I'm happy to tell you how I'm getting on and how I've found the program as well. So I will keep you up to date and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.